Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use school supplies. Begin by organizing your backpack, ensuring easy access to all your materials. Utilize notebooks and binders to keep different subjects separate, preventing confusion and lost papers. Employ pens and pencils for clear and legible writing, making your notes easy to read and understand. Proper use of these basic tools sets a strong foundation for academic success throughout the year. When choosing writing tools, select a pen with a comfortable grip and smooth ink flow for those long writing sessions. For pencils, consider lead hardness. An HB pencil is great for general writing, while a 2B offers darker lines. Always use a high-quality eraser that removes marks cleanly without smudging or tearing your paper. These choices significantly impact the neatness and readability of your work, making studying much more effective. Effective organization is key. Dedicate a separate notebook or binder for each subject to keep everything tidy and accessible. Within your binders, use dividers to categorize notes, handouts, and assignments, creating a clear structure. Employ folders for temporary storage of loose papers and homework that needs to be submitted. This systematic approach ensures you can quickly find what you need, saving valuable time and reducing stress. Don't forget your essential accessories. A 12-inch ruler is indispensable for drawing straight lines and accurate measurements in geometry or art. Highlighters are perfect for emphasizing key information in textbooks and notes. Try using different colors for various categories. Finally, a scientific or graphing calculator is crucial for tackling complex mathematical problems, depending on your course level. These tools enhance your learning and problem-solving capabilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.